Hey guys, just wanted to come back to you. I know I made a video a while back about the Extreme Online splitter that I put on my car. It's the extended lip splitter for the Corvette C6. I have a base model. I put that on about a month ago, and I did a video on that about, you know, how the installation went, how it looked. And I'm really happy with it. It's been a good product. It looks really nice, and it was pretty easy to install. One of the things that was kind of interesting to note too is that part of the instructions say that when you put it in, you have some self-tapping screws and double-sided tape. I didn't use the double-sided tape. I just put in with self-tapping screws, and my intent was to take it back apart, put some, I had somebody refer me to this tape called UHB Ultra High Bond 3M tape and reassemble it with 3M screws. I just haven't done it yet, but to be truthful, it's still on there just like it was originally, and I haven't had any problems. The reason I'm making this today, I just want to have an update on this. Had this thing on for about a month. I went to my first Autocross event, and I was trying to be a little cautious because I didn't want to go and hit anything or hit a cone dead on with the splitter since it is sticking out about, 4 or 5 inches from the front of my car. Lo and behold, on my fourth run, I come around a corner. I wish I had some good footage of it. My camera was acting up. And I hit this cone dead on. I mean, I was probably doing 40 miles an hour. I lost it, hit the thing dead on, and I thought, I'm sure it was toast. I thought the splitter was going to be cracked. I thought it was going to be broken. And I just figured, well, no big deal. So I kind of limped back to the start-finish line, went back in the pits. And when I took a look at it, I was really surprised. It really held up. It didn't break. It didn't crack. It wasn't hanging off my car. And so I just have to say again, this thing is really good. It looks really nice. For the value, you can't beat it. I mean, I think it really kind of finishes off my car in terms of appearance. And the fact that I can go and hit a cone dead on like that, a straight on impact, and it doesn't affect it or break it or crack it, is a true testament to how well it's built. So I just want to come back, share that with everybody, and let you know again, I think this is a great product. It's made well, and if you've got a Corvette, stick it on there. It's under $300. It takes a little, probably an hour or less to put it on, and it looks fantastic. But I just want to show you some pictures up close of the splitter on my car after the accident, and you can see that it still looks good. So here's the splitter on my car. Yes, there could be little bugs and some black marks from hitting a cone, but no problems, no damage. There's some little black marks, probably from one of my cones. But, I mean, heck, it still looks great. And I hit this thing, I'm not sure where, but probably pretty close to dead center. But it didn't break it. It didn't damage it at all. It didn't even, kind of check the paint. So I just have to say, overall, man, I am really happy with this thing. I think it looks really good. And the fact that I can go and hit a cone, which happens sometimes in these instances, is pretty awesome. So again, that's all I wanted to share today. It's just a quick video. Again, for those of you that watch my videos on autocross and different things that I'm doing, I appreciate it. Subscribe and hit the like button, and you'll be notified when new videos are out there. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.